Hi everyone, welcome to another tutorial. It's been a while since I last put together a Pixlr tutorial, and the last one I made seemed like a crappy banner that I was trying to show people how to use some of the basic features in Pixlr. Today, I'm going to step it up and sort of show you how to use some of the more medium to somewhat novice tools in Pixlr, which you can find in a lot of image editing programs out there, but Pixlr does offer it for free. So let's just get started. Today, I sort of wanted to answer a question someone posted on a YouTube video that I had of a Pixlr tutorial. Now, I'm not going to be able to answer their specific question, but I'm going to show you how to use the tool in general. So I'm just going to open up an image here. You'll notice that there is this giant duck that's sort of on the bay here. I don't remember where I got this image from. I thought it was really funny, so I downloaded it. It might be from that Overload Cute website, I believe. So if you are the owner of this image and you'd like me to give you credit for it, please let me know and I will definitely put information on the YouTube page. But let's get started here. Today I'm going to show you how to use a special tool which is called the Clone Stamp tool. And what does this do? It essentially does what it says. It's called a Clone Stamp tool. It's just going to essentially create a clone of an area that you want to copy. It's quite straightforward, but using a tool might not be. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take this duck and I want to sort of copy it over here into this different area, and let's kind of figure that out together. So to do this, what you want to do is find an area you want to start copying from. I mean, you can copy from any area you want to. So to actually activate this tool, make sure you click it. Then go to a certain portions, as you can see here. I'm going to click the control button on my keyboard. When I hit the control button, you'll notice that the cursor has changed into sort of a different looking target. Now if I left click my mouse while I'm holding the control button, I will have activated the Clone Stamp tool. Now I can let go of the control button and then move my mouse. Now I want to recreate a duck down here on the right bottom side here. The moment I click the left mouse button, the tool will start to work. So I'm going to left click right now, and you'll see that the tool has started to work. And as I hold the left mouse button and move it around, you'll see it's copying this area here that I originally clicked on. So I'm just going to do this very carefully so as I don't pick up any other areas there. And also you can let go, and you'll notice that the tool will have reset. So be very careful about that. So I'm going to undo that, and I'm going to try this again. Activate the tool, start again here. Okay, and I'm just going to go through this. Just be very careful so you don't end up getting an area like this. You see what happens now? It's actually copying the section up here on the left hand side. We only want the area of the duck. So we'll try it one more time. This will be the last time. Sorry, activate the tool, and there you go, start copying. You'll notice I got a little bit of that ridge there, that table, but that's okay. Not too bad. Not too bad. Figure out some way to fix this. Okay, so we have one duck there. Now, one thing I want you guys to sort of realize is you might want to pay attention to your brush. Now, this is sort of how the brush default is. It starts off with this circular brush at 30. I would recommend changing it to a different tool, something like this, that is somewhat softer. The hardness is reduced, so that you sort of get a better sort of emulation of the duck, a better copy of it, a better clone. So let's try making another clone of the duck. I'm going to left click here, and then left click on my mouse. Sorry, I'm going to hold control, left click, and then let go. Move to a region up here, and then start. So you'll notice how the outer portions of this area I'm cloning is a lot softer than the one down there that I started making, and this really makes the effect much better when we try to put the duck into perspective on this image here. Okay, so you notice how I'm trying to be very careful about the areas that I'm picking up. Again, I'm not letting go of the left mouse button throughout the entire time. Alright, so I let go now, and I sort of have a pretty decent looking duck. I'm going to zoom in, go to view, zoom in, to sort of help me see this. And you'll notice it's not looking too fantastic at all. You'll notice the water here looks a little weird and a little different. We'll try and fix that. So let's see if I'm going to hold the left click mouse button on this piece of water, and I'm going to sort of emulate that water onto this side here. So I'm going to left click and then sort of try and repair this. See that? And I'm going to left click down here and try to simulate that water region here as well. Okay. And it's looking a little better, and you see this top portion here where this duck's head is at. We can sort of repair that too, but this is a little bit more tricky. I'll pick a section somewhere here and let go and see what I can do. Not too great. And then also down here we'll try and repair the water and make it look a little bit more realistic or something. Or, I mean, essentially simulate it. Okay, well, you get the idea. You can create a ton of ducks in your image, an entire army of them, and I just wanted to use this image as a great way to demo this tool. Again, there are many applications for it, repairing and fixing pictures and images that are missing certain components in it, and using it as a tool to sort of fix things, essentially, or trick the eye, trick the viewer. There's a lot of applications for it, and I hope you got an idea of how to use the tool today. If you have any questions, please post them on my YouTube video, and I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks a lot.